It's raining, it's pouring. It's raining, it's pouring. It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. He bumped his head when he went to bed and couldn't get up in the morning. It's cloudy, it's breezy. The old man is sneezy. He blew so hard that he moved the stars, but of course that wasn't easy. It is snowing, it's blowing, the old man is growing. He ate so much one day for lunch, every part of him was showing. It's warm out and sunny, the old man loves honey. He tried to seize a batch from the bees, and they didn't find it funny. It's cool, damp, and chilly. The old man's name is Willie. He tripped and fell in a big old well. Oh my gosh, did he look silly? It's gusty, it's windy. The old man's wife is Cindy. With ants in their pants, they started to dance and ended up doing the Lindy. Whatever the season, cloudy, sunny, breezy, if he gets to bed without bumping his head, then the old man thinks it's pleasing. It's raining, it's pouring. The end.